Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to talk about the pros and cons of fuel and electric motorcycles. Here, I am going to take a look at the benefits and drawbacks of both types of motorcycles, so you can decide which is right for you. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in electric motorcycles as a more sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered motorcycles. But which is the better choice? Fuel or electricity? Fuel motorcycles. Fuel motorcycles are the traditional type of motorcycle. They use gasoline as their fuel source. Pros of fuel motorcycles. They are more affordable than electric motorcycles. They have a longer range than electric motorcycles. They are more widely available than electric motorcycles. Cons of fuel motorcycles. They are less efficient than electric motorcycles. They produce emissions that contribute to air pollution. They require more maintenance than electric motorcycles. Electric motorcycles. Electric motorcycles use electricity as their fuel source. Pros of electric motorcycles. They are more efficient than fuel motorcycles. They produce zero emissions, which is better for the environment. They require less maintenance than fuel motorcycles. Cons of electric motorcycles. They are more expensive than fuel motorcycles. They have a shorter range than fuel motorcycles. They are not as widely available as fuel motorcycles. Conclusion? So, which is the better choice for motorcycles? It depends on your needs and preferences. If you are looking for an affordable motorcycle with a long range, then a fuel motorcycle is a good option. If you are looking for a motorcycle that is more environmentally friendly and requires less maintenance, then an electric motorcycle is a good option. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to test drive both types of motorcycles and see which one you prefer. My take is that electric motorcycles are the better choice for the future. They are more efficient, produce zero emissions, and require less maintenance than fuel motorcycles. However, they are currently more expensive and have a shorter range. I believe that the cost of electric motorcycles will come down over time, and the range will increase. As this happens, I think electric motorcycles will become the more popular choice for motorcycles. Here are some other factors to consider when deciding between fuel and electric motorcycles. Your riding style. If you do a lot of long-distance riding, a fuel motorcycle may be a better option. Electric motorcycles are still limited in terms of range, so you may need to stop and charge more often. Your budget. Electric motorcycles are currently more expensive than fuel motorcycles. However, the cost difference is narrowing, and electric motorcycles are becoming more affordable. Your environmental concerns. If you are concerned about the environment, an electric motorcycle is a good choice. They produce zero emissions, which is better for air quality. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new about fuel versus electricity motorcycles. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this.